It's the weekend after Christmas when everyone's real quiet, hiding from being glutton. So we had some pasta last night for dinner and we've got some breadsticks. I want to make a custom garlic bread. It's something I've always done. I'm going to get right into it since I'm prepped. Let me turn the oven on. The oven's on, heating, but I want to put it more like where I want it because I'm going to work fast. By the time I'm prepped like this, I got my butter and my garlic ready to go into the microwave. Let's do that first. Let's turn the oven up. Like 350 or so. 355. And then put that in the microwave for 25 seconds. No need to cover it because it usually doesn't spill out of that cup. How are you, YouTube? How are you? I got my live chat setting on. That way it'll save the live chat when the video is saved. I met a lot of really cool people here on my my YouTube live. That's hard to say 10 times. YouTube live, YouTube live, YouTube live. Okay, the oven is up. We got the breadsticks. That's probably ready, but we're gonna leave it in there in another minute. We're gonna give it another blast on like 20 seconds. All I do is I take it and I split it down the middle. I take it, I split it down the middle. Just like that. And if it happens to open, it opens. It's no big deal. Hi, Dave Smith. How are you? So split it right down on top of the breadstick. A nice slit. Just like that. Just like that. How are you guys? So now I give my microwave another blast. So blast that garlic butter. That's all you have to do is blast the garlic butter. Cool, huh? When you can hear it boiling, that's time to pull it out of there. Hi, Ahmad Rayati. So that's when you got the butter with the garlic. So I prefer having like a brush, like a cooking brush, but since I don't have one, I will just use a spoon. I want the garlic bread to get evenly distributed with the butter, the garlic butter. If anything's weird ever in your food, just take it out. Like, that's okay. That's just a part of the garlic, but just to be safe. I see something. I shall be careful. Like, it's just like a dark piece of the garlic, but I don't like it, and I don't want it on the bread. So I'll find it. I'll eliminate it. Please be polite. There are kids in here, so please do not offend in any way. Just distribute the butter. Usually I just pour it on there. Make sure you get the ends, because there's nothing worse than biting into a piece of garlic bread and it's dry on the end, right? So evenly distribute that garlic bread there. Yum. All right. Great. So now I'm going to go ahead and put them in the tray. Go ahead and put them just right in the tray. Don't leave any garlic behind on the plate or butter. And then just bake them. They're already going to be like 350. Just bake them for 6 minutes would be good. Because you want them to be soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. So 6 minutes is probably a lot. I'm gonna go for 4 minutes and then check it. Or how about 3? So how are you? I was hoping some of my friends from the other day would come back over here and anyone new. Oh, there's Mr. Funkadelic. I don't know. I'm watching my weight. I'm really just watching my weight because I overdid sugar over Christmas. And my mom reminded me that it's probably the sugar. So bread is essentially sugar because it's carbs. But the entree is really small tonight because we're having what's left over from the pasta last night. She has a lot of spaghetti left over. I just have like an Italian sausage and, no pun intended, and a little bit of spaghetti, and actually there's a whole meatball there. So I could actually eat the garlic bread with the meatball and not have to have much pasta. Oh yeah, and then there's a little bit of lasagna too. So I'm gonna heat that up next. I wanted to come on here and see like who's around because I promised I would be back. So I'm definitely back. What else? That's it. I'm gonna heat up the leftovers. I think my mom is sleeping, but she has to eat, so I will have to, even though she had more than I did. I had nothing and she had like a little bit of breakfast, which is perfect, and now she's sleeping. So, but I have to wake her up because she needs lunch. It's becoming like a late lunch, early dinner. I'll probably wait a while. Thanks, guys. Thanks for being here. Let's see. I'm gonna get out, or might as well just get it out. Oh yeah, there's a salad too. So this is all the food that wasn't touched from the restaurant, and this is my mom's plate. So I'll definitely transfer that onto a fresh plate. I should do that right now, actually. I'm reading your comments. Oh, good. Yeah, you are, Randall. Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I gotta wash my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands. That's so neat. Thank you for coming back. I always keep my promises. I said I'd be back, and here I am. And I figure I really didn't need to be doing much since that's basically... Okay, let's check the garlic bread. Since basically that's all I do anyway is my life, right? Because I'm a vlogger, so I might as well show what I'm doing. There's so many times I've been wanting to make this bread that I didn't show it. I've showed it only once on a Facebook Live. I could tell it's not done. No. I could actually shut it off because, like, I would still have to wake my mom up, and then I could cook it, like, right before. I'm gonna shut it off. Because we're not eating yet, it's gonna be at least 10-15 minutes, so I don't want it to get too crispy. As a matter of fact, take it out too. That way when I heat it up, it'll crisp right up. Great. See, it would have been perfect in like 30 seconds. So let me see, what else is happening? Oh, thanks. I had these. I didn't install them. You're probably surprised but not surprised that I didn't install them. I can't install counters, I never have, but I'm sure I could. Let's see. Okay. I gotta oil that door again. Great. So what else? Let me see. I'm reading these comments. I'm looking at how all this stuff works on the live for YouTube. Thank you for joining. I really wanted to come on and just show you how delicious these garlic breads are. And actually, yeah, I would take a bite, but since I took them out a little early so I could cook them again when they're ready to be served, I don't want to bite it because it will take away, it's supposed to sound crunchier. And it's soft inside though. Okay. So make sure we get that. All right, guys. So thanks for being here and I'll see you next time. Mwah. I love you. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day. I hope whatever you have for this evening is delicious. Thanks for being here.